This song is a popular Kannada devotional song dedicated to Lord Ganesha. It is a much-loved bhajan that praises Ganesha's virtues and seeks his blessings. It is commonly played during Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations and other religious ceremonies dedicated to Lord Ganesha. Practice the C major scale before trying to play the melody. You become comfortable with the notes used in the melody. Practicing the C major scale will help you recognize and play these notes confidently. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pa ma ga ri sa ga ri sa ri sa ni sa ri re ga ma da pa ma ga ma re ma ga ri sa ri ni sa pa ma ga re ni sa. Papa maga pa ni da pa ma da ma ga pa ga ri re ga. Da pa ni da pa da pa ga ri sa ga re ne re ga pa re ga ri sa. We hope you enjoyed the content and are excited to continue this musical journey with us. Give the melody a try on your piano, and if you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to ask in the comments section. I'll be happy to assist you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest lessons. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials.